In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an EBT card from your Amazon account. If you've ever found yourself needing to update or declutter your payment options, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and effectively. Similar steps apply to removing any stored payment method on Amazon, so whether you're dealing with a debit card, credit card, or EBT card, these instructions have you covered. Let's get started. First, you'll need to sign in to your Amazon account. This initial step is the gateway to accessing all your stored information and making any necessary changes. Once you're logged in, your focus will shift to navigating to your payment methods. Depending on your device, whether you're using a desktop or a mobile browser, the pathway might slightly differ. If you're on a desktop computer, you'll want to look for the Amazon menu. From there, navigate to Account and Lists, and then click on Your Payments. Here, you'll find an overview of all your existing payment methods neatly listed. If you're using a mobile device, take note that you might need to switch to the desktop site view within your browser. This ensures you can see all available payment options, as many users report that the EBT card specifically appears only in the desktop site version and not within the mobile app itself. Once you've made it to your payment methods, it's time to pinpoint the EBT card you'd like to remove. As you scroll through your list of cards, focus on locating that specific card. When you find it, click on the Edit button next to it, or simply click on the card itself. This action prompts additional options to pop up. Here is where you'll see the option to remove the card. To remove the EBT card, you want to choose the Remove from Wallet option. Some might simply see Remove. According to Amazon's help pages, selecting Remove from the wallet will effectively remove the card from your account. However, it's worth noting that instructions can vary slightly based on your region. For example, users of Amazon.sg might see directions that say, to remove a payment method, select the card and select Remove. If this is the case, always follow any on-screen instructions to ensure the process completes smoothly. Finally, as with many online processes, you'll need to confirm the removal. A prompt will most likely appear, asking you to verify your choice to remove the payment method. Confirm this, and voila! Your EBT card has now been successfully removed from your Amazon account. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage your payment methods and keep your Amazon account organized. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide was helpful and easy to follow. If you have any additional questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Enjoy managing your account with this newfound knowledge, and have a great day.